Hello, my name is Mark Mitchell, and this is like the fifth time recording this. I gotta hurry. I always go long. Here we go. How important is to integrate technology into curriculum? My answer is this: not very important. Okay? And you're thinking, didn't you read the book, the Curriculum 21 book? Yes, I read it. I read the book. I do say it's necessary, though. Look at that. I say it's not very important, but yet necessary. Technology integration is not critical in some subjects. I'm sorry, but that's what I think. I do not think it's critical. Now, some caveats. Number one, technology's significance, it does depend on what's being taught, right? Your math, your science, there's probably some others. It's just not critical. It's not critical. Others, it is. Stuff like communication classes, art, career technology, English class. Even English, I would say, at this point, it's critical to be able to read and type and use research methods for computer and online. Okay? But I'm still standing by that it's not critical for that. Now, if you want a question that would kind of illustrate this, is the question is, how educated can a person be today without any technology usage? An honest answer now, not this whole pie in the sky. Honest answer. And I think the honest answer is more educated than you would think. Okay, now would there be deficits? I will acknowledge there would be deficits, but I think those deficits would be less than what a lot of people would have us think. Right? I think those deficits could be made up rather quickly. Okay, and I also point out technology is so widespread it does need to be taught. Right? Second question: what's the biggest barrier? Okay, for me, and this is about me and my curriculum. Okay, the content of math is what I teach. And due to its type and its quantity, the old school methods are generally preferable. Now, don't worry, I'm going to give caveat on this too. Visual aids, tactile manipulatives, graphic organizers, notes, practice, and yes, lecture, right? The content itself kind of resists some technology integration. You want proof of this? I dare you to go to YouTube and search any secondary, higher level concept in math. Triangle congruence. Triangle congruence. You Google it in YouTube. You know what you're going to get on the results? You're going to get a teacher at a board. Or they'll have, like I'm doing now, which is online, they'll show you this or that. That's how to learn math. You have to listen to somebody and listen and think about it and look at it and do it. You got to do it. And you got to practice it. It's the content itself. Now, before in the video, I may go a second over here. I'm on board. I teach virtual manipulatives on the computer, graphing calculator, online practice with built-in feedback. I do all that. I'm good. But I would not say it's critical, right? It's not critical. I now have to end this. Thank you very much. Hopefully I answered those questions.